Hey guys, it is Saturday the 22nd. Wanted to come at you with a little update from the garden today. We had another huge rainfall today. Maybe ended up somewhere in the neighborhood of an inch between the past 2 days, maybe a little more. I'd have to look at the precip. I need to get myself a rain gauge so I can not have to guess on these things. But everything's a little droopy because of that. So you can see at the tops of the tomatoes, they're just a little saggy. Everything's looking a little sad because it's just got a crap ton of water. And it was just really hot, so I had to water them before this because they really needed it. And but here we are, you know. Some of the plants are fine. They're like just chilling, doing all kinds of good things. But yeah, just wanted to quickly run through the tomatoes just to look at the size of the fruit. I was noticing I've got the Sweet 100 here compared to my finger. Catbird for comparisons. You got a Sun Peach compared to my finger. You got Sun Gold compared to my finger. And you got Honey Drop. Hello? Will you focus? Yeah, Honey Drop compared to my finger. So I think Honey Drop's actually looking the biggest to me right now. But let's check Black Cherry. Maybe Black Cherry's a little bigger. Oh yeah. Black Cherry's bigger. Black Cherry always has these really big leaflets on the tops of the fruits. I don't know what they call those, but catbirds are so funny. Ooh. I may be like 10 feet away from him or something. He has like no cares in the world. You can hear a hummingbird flying over too.
Me.
Oh, he didn't like that. He said, "Who are you to be maying at me?" Oh, there's another one. Tough to titmouse. Oh, and a Carolina Red. Huh. It's a whole bunch of birds gathering. Anyways, the Bloody Butcher, I noticed, starting to get some nice sized fruit to it. The Berry's Crazy Cherry is just looking insane. Look at the size of this fruit truss. That's insane. And then look at the next one. Like the two of those together on the same plant. Oh, yeah. Like, what is that? That's so much. And then there's another one that's forming right here. That's looking like it's basically going to be the same level of insaneness. There's another one right there. Here's the one where I'm growing the two tops at once. Stump of the World. Lots of flowers to it. Lots of nice sized tomatoes already too. Seems to be really productive and fast. Way faster than Brandywine. And more productive so far too. Green Giant. We're maybe setting some fruit on those. Nothing popping through yet, but some sort of beetle. Oh, that's a bad one. Doinkins. Hopefully that got him. That was a cucumber beetle. First one I've seen this year. It's just like a regular Firefly. Sort of guy. Yeah, it's a firefly. You can tell because of his white butt. Dang. Cucumber Beetle Spotted. Huh. Well, we're gonna keep our eye out then. Dang, I feel bad killing bugs like that. I don't like doing that. But if you let one on there, it's gonna start eating stuff and laying eggs, and a bunch of them are gonna pop out, and then next year a bunch of them are gonna pop out. It's a bad thing. I've stayed on top of it so far, so. That was a spotted cucumber beetle. Let's step through here, take a look at the other plants. So the Cherokee purple, starting to put some little fruit on. Man, this one is growing all kinds of weird ass suckers everywhere. And it's like popping out buds in weird places. What are you doing? You okay, buddy? Brandywine here. Big old potato leaves. Here's where the fruit set is. You can see compared to the stump of the world, much smaller. Here's Caspian pink. Doing its thing. And I'm very surprised with how many flowers the Abe Lincoln is putting out. Yeah, this set here, nice fruit on it. You come up the stem, and then you got this branch, which is like, damn, that's a lot of flowers for a slicer. And then you got that. The Caspian pink seems to be doing similar stuff. And then over here, here's the gold medal. We got the hidden flowers back here, and then a new, bigger set popping up here. Here's a gold medal in development. And then more flowers up on the top of this one. Here's a sucker. There we go. Here's Virginia Sweets. Some flowers there. Some more down here. Let's see if they go. Little sucker. And then the pineapples. They look good too. Not much fruit setting on those yet, but they're starting to, you can tell. This is a tomato right here. Watch. Boop. See? It's the first pineapple. Let's check these lower Virginia Sweets out. Maybe there's some in there. No, they're not looking too dry yet, so I'm going to leave them just for a little bit, just in case. Oh, the Kellogg's breakfast. Some nice sized ones on there already. Ananas Noir. You can tell they've set fruit. Flowers are drying up. You're going to get a few starting up there. And then the flowers over here, kind of hidden away under this leaf. You gotta watch out for if you're trying to hand pollinate. You might have stuff like this where you see like a leaf and there's like, oops, there's the flowers under there. So, oopsie. Yeah, for some reason it's funny because all the, for the most part, most of the fruit on the Berries Crazy is growing on that side so far, and which is convenient for my harvesting purposes. So, and then one other thing I noticed is we got this crazy clustering happening on the Sweet 100. There's going to be a lot of flowers there. So, yeah, otherwise it's time to snag a squash. So let's grab ourselves one. Woofy! Oh. I'll go down and snag a squash. There you go. First squash harvest of the year. First of many, it looks like, because if you look in here, we're gonna have a lot of squash. So, alright, y'all. I'm gonna go find my pooch. And we'll see ya on the next one. Peace out. There he is. Pooch found.
Pooch found, pooch found. Pooch found, pooch found. Look what I stinkied. Can you sniff it? Wow. I grew that. Do you want to eat it? You gonna taste it?
Scooter.
Oh. Sniff it. Taste it. Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside. The lamb's ear flower in here. Pretty cool. It's also bending over because of the influx of rain, and you can see some of the potatoes have fallen over because of it as well, but they tend to do that towards the end of the season anyway, so we're going to let them do their thing. But the sunflowers seem to be happy. They're all doing stuff. And we got some carrots really cruising now, so fingers crossed, y'all. Let's go have a squash. Peace out.